Hello future tech leaders, I'm Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Basically, the page will also not be created. Page will not be there. Because no, you have removed, right? Go there. You have unchecked it, right? Whenever you uncheck it, it has to remove the page. We have set the condition as removed. Have you opened the clipboard? Let me again close it. The latest clipboard. I need to uncheck. Delivery pay location should not be there now. This data also should not be there. Should I click on save and then check? Just click on save. Absolutely, it has to get removed from clipboard. Now it's not there. But generally it has to be automatic, right? Automatically it has to be deleted. Like every time we have to. Every time we have to. I think it's all based on the skin of an application. I think in what is this? I'm not wrong. This is the cosmos you are in. No, it's not. Only. But this is the cosmos. Go to the user. Go to the user. Because in the selection only we have select right in that one. Correct. Click on cake order. Top you have in the header application name is cake order. Click on application definition. Tingo. Open up skin cake order. Is it opening a cake order? This skin has got inherited from Cosmos. I think that's why you are getting. You go to your application definition. Meanwhile, it will open. It is not. You remove cake order. Can you remove cake order? Instead of cake order, you try to give UI kit. Is there? You just search. Click on down arrow. In user. Come down. This is these options. These options. You will be having PEGA UI kits on point to version. They haven't given. Based on this one. Also, it will vary. Sometimes you will ask to save. Whether it is coming on. This is a cake holder. It's a customizer skin. Cosmos. You were right. See this a Cosmos. You click on that default in Cosmos. Click there. It will open the Cosmos. It is opening. Go to your cake order. You click on default. You click on the pencil icon. Check out. No, don't check out. Just click on. This one we have to defend while creating the application itself. Whenever you click on cancel, you click on new application. Click on top definition. Is there not? Click on this. No, you have this application at Kcoder. Click on it. Click on New Application. I'll show you. Build from scratch, right? Build from scratch. See, here it is asking Cosmos Reactor theme Cosmos, right? We chose the theme Cosmos. We have chosen theme Cosmos, or we have chosen Cosmos React. Cosmos theme Cosmos. Or traditional. I remember you said, let's go for traditional. Then we have to choose a different skin here then. But actually, I think after this I mean new edition. Some changes are there because old edition 4 to 5 options will be there. See, this is a classic is there. We will see classic. You see. Classic is the application type we used to build. In classic, you need not actually go and save on that. But might be it has changed in the latest version. See, it's all based on against skin, only skin. You can again modify. You understand the core rules. You can modify it again back to classic. See, the difference is there in the UI. And the application is also creating also your. It is getting created differently. But it has asked you from build from scratch. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.